Here's a short little video of revenge or karma. Which one do you think it is? They even got all the tires on the trailer. They shot out all the tires. Right there is a bullet hole. Bullets coming through. That's a nice little message. Check out all the bullet holes. There. All up through here. That tire has a bullet hole right there. A lot more bullet holes all through here. What I heard is this guy came up bear hunting one day in the morning, and when he came back in the evening, this is what his truck looked like. I also heard this guy has more enemies than probably anyone in Alaska, but little Alaskan Justice for him, I guess.